Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and I'm super excited to be back with you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see more videos like the videos that I'm going to be doing today, remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell so you will be notified of any videos I upload this spring. And then also give me a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, because today we are cleaning with all natural ingredients and we are doing some spring cleaning in my home. Hopefully this helps motivate you to get you up, start cleaning around your home. This is not a deep clean of every room. I do that, but this is just some basic things that I do and kind of get a little bit more thorough with when I do my spring cleaning. So follow along. All of these things that I'm using to clean my home will be linked below. Recipes, what I use will be linked below, but it's all using all natural. My main ingredient is essential oils, and you're going to see me clean with some of my favorite products. So let's get started. Let's spring clean our homes and let's get all of the old out and bring in the new this 2020.
Okay, first things first, and I am disinfecting my sink. I do this on a daily basis, but I love to give it a deep clean, especially every season and every so often, just to kind of get all the yucky grime out and to give it some shine. I'm using baking soda, peroxide, and one of my favorite essential oils. I'll have the details on this recipe over on my blog, so make sure you check below with a link for the full details of what I do to make this sink cleaner. Okay, now it's time to tackle the shower, and with the shower I like to make sure it's properly ventilated, even though I'm using all natural ingredients to give it a good deep clean. I like to clean this from top to bottom, getting in all of the tile cracks, grooves, and crevices. Now I'm giving my floor a nice vacuum. I love this Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's perfect for hard surfaces and for carpet, but I think I like it because it's very lightweight and I'm petite, so I'm able to maneuver it. It is cordless, so you do have to charge it, so just be mindful of that. You will probably get about 7 to 10 minutes on a full charge. And also I like it because I can weave in and out of furniture with it as well. Now I'm mopping my floor with this homemade DIY floor cleaner. It's basically 2 ingredients. Well, if you include water, 3 ingredients: water, vinegar, and lemon essential oils. And I put it in this Revolve mop, and I love it because I spray out the cleaning solution and it cleans the floor. It's kind of like a Swiffer, but I'm able to recycle the pads underneath. So basically I take it off every day to 2 days and throw it in the washing machine and Velcro right back on. It's perfect. I love it and it's amazing. However, my brown Labrador is petrified of it. I think it's because of the squirting mechanism. Spring cleaning is perfect when you can touch up all of your wood surfaces with a little bit of lemon essential oils, which is perfect for shining and buffing out the wood to bring back its luster. The table has seen its better days, but it still brightens it up and cleans it extremely well, and I highly recommend cleaning with this solution. And like I said before, I will link the recipes below. If you didn't get that from the beginning of the video, I will do that for you guys, so check below. Now I'm spraying all my countertops with my Thieves multi-purpose cleaner. I love this because it not only disinfects, it kills all bacteria, all viruses, all germs, and I just feel extremely happy when I use this because it's safe, it's non-toxic, and it's simple to make, and I love it. I spray it on just about everything that I can possibly think of. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but this Thieves cleaner smells amazing, so it makes cleaning just a little bit more pleasurable. Now it's time to kick our laundry in high gear. This is the time in the spring where I wash all of my bedding. Of course, I usually do my sheets and pillows once a week, but my comforters, my duvet covers, my bed skirts, anything that doesn't get that weekly or monthly wash, this is the time that you want to do it. Now I use my dryer balls when I put them in the dryer with some of my favorite essential oils. I love to switch between eucalyptus and lavender. Now I am going around and cleaning all my mirrors and surfaces that have some shine to it with my homemade glass cleaner. I have 2 bathrooms in my home, so I clean all of those mirrors in there, and I also clean my shower doors. I don't have shower curtains. I have glass shower doors, which can be a little tricky, but we gotta get those clean, especially when it's spring cleaning. Well, it's the dreaded toilets. These do need to be deep cleaned, of course, every season and cleaned all the time, at least once a week. But here I'm giving it a good clean with some essential oils, and I let this sit for a bit because I like to get all the grime and build up.
Enjoyed this video. I hope I motivate you to spring clean some areas in your home. If I did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and then comment below what areas that I did not touch on today that you'll be spring cleaning in your home. I will be doing more videos for you all of how I get my home ready for the spring and it transitions right into the summer. So thank you for following along with me. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. I hope you're all safe, and God bless.